hide. Same with I can hide this. To unhide, I'll click this, open again. Now suppose I want to send this particular Excel file to someone, and I don't want to show them that the Excel sheet has been hidden. So what I will do, I'll select on the sheet number, I'll go to view code, and here I will select visible very hidden. Okay, Excel sheet 3. So in this way you can hide the sheet permanently. And now now you can see it will show no any sheets are hidden unless and until that person know how to unhide that sheet from view code. If you like our video, please follow Excel up for more such Excel tricks. Thank you. If you like our video, please follow Excel up for more such Excel tricks. Thank you.